Printing directly from Ordoro just got easier with InstaPrint. Let's walk through how to set it up and streamline your workflow. To use InstaPrint in Ordoro, start by creating a PrintNode account. Choose a single account for basic usage, and if you plan to print more than 50 labels per month, select a plan that meets your needs. After setting up your account, download and install the PrintNode Client onto your computer. During installation, ensure the print settings are set to Engine 5 for compatibility with InstaPrint. Next, connect your PrintNode account to Ordoro. To do this, locate your API key in PrintNode. This key is required to link the two platforms. If you're unsure where to find it, check Ordoro's support documentation for detailed instructions. Once you have your API key, enter the API key into the InstaPrint configuration area and click Save to establish the connection. Now assign your printers. In Ordoro, designate which printers to use for shipping labels, pick lists, or other documents. Be sure to test the connection to confirm everything is functioning as expected. With InstaPrint, you'll spend less time on repetitive printing tasks and more time focusing on growing your business. Start making your printing process faster and more efficient with Ordoro today.